Hi friends, my name is Kaidy and welcome back to Feenyx Jewelry for another wire wrapping tutorial. As usual, I've listed everything you'll need for this project on screen and in the description box. So today I'm working on a fairly simple pendant that I also introduced in the second video I did on frames. This time around though, I want to flesh out the design and show you the complete process of this pendant. For this frame, you'll need 3 7.5 inch pieces of 20 gauge square wire, 3 2.5 inch pieces of 22 gauge half round wire, and 5 additional inches of the 22 gauge half round wire for your bail. The first thing I'm going to do is arrange the 20 gauge square wires so they sit flat against each other. Then we want to find the center of the wires and wrap one of the 2.5 inch half round wires around them about 4 to 6 times. Using a ring mandrel, I'm going to just try and form the bottom part of the stone just so I can get that circular shape. Next, I'm going to measure about halfway up the stone to decide where I want to place the remaining piece of the 22 gauge half round wire. Once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to wrap the half round wire about 4 to 6 times as well. As we get to the top of the pendant, we'll make sure to keep the wires sitting on top of each other so we can wrap the 4 inch 22 gauge half round wire around all 6 pieces of the wire. After about 4 to 6 wraps, separate the 2 front wires and the 2 back wires and wrap around the 2 center wires for about 2.5 inches. Then bend your bail forward slightly. Using a round tool such as a color pencil or maybe a small wooden dowel, find the center of the bail and fold the top part over the dowel and then back into the original position. With the piece of wire left out, you can wrap all your wires around and tuck the wire end into the frame, but I'm just going to use the ends of the bail to attach to the frame.